There is so much talent on both Super Bowl teams. A local talent trying to make their homecoming a very special one. ABC 7's Mike Schumann starts us out at Levi's Stadium, and he had a chance to catch up with Vallejo native and Broncos running back C.J. Anderson earlier today. Shu?
That's right, Larry. C.J. Anderson, of course, as you mentioned, a Vallejo native, played his college ball at Cal, and he's played in the Super Bowl but did not get a win. So he's excited and proud to be back in the Bay Area trying to win his first championship.
Feels good. It feels good to have the opportunity to be a world champion. That's something, I've had the opportunity before and we came up short, but now we got a chance to, prove it.
Played here at Cal. What's it mean to you to come back to the Bay Area and play your Super Bowl here?
I'm from Vallejo, played at Cal. It just seemed like, all my big games and whatever I want to do is at home. It doesn't feel like a road game to me. I'm just glad to be home and it's exciting.
All right, this is a great matchup between you and the Panthers. Talk about that Panther defense.
Oh, they're really good. We all know what the linebackers in our front four, what they can do. Really good defense. Coach Ron Rivera, Cal Bear himself. We know about his smash mouth, hard no football mentality. It's a tough challenge for us, but I think we're ready.
You're going to have to be able to run the ball in the Super Bowl, right?
Just have to be patient, take our time, pick our spots, and when things come up to form, we'll make it happen.
The toughest thing is the week before is getting tickets for all your family. Has that been a nightmare for you?
Not at all. Kept it at 5, and it's 5 special people in my heart, and that's just what it is.
5?
5.
That's it?
That's it.
What's the mood of the team? A lot of talk that Peyton Manning, this might be his last game. Is this kind of one of the win one for the Gipper kind of thing, or?
Nah, the mood of the team is just us. It's all about us. We believe in us. We're focused on us, and we just want to take care of business for us. So that's the mood.